Everybody move up, move up, move up! Move up! Let's have some fun with us! We are the Geeks from South fucking Korea! Let's fucking do this! If you know the words, come up front and have some fun with us! Help me out! Hey! 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 Boom! So let's have some fun together! Hey! 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 This next song is gonna open your eyes! Open your eyes! Honesty! Friendly communication! Answer to fun! Learn to grow! Help him out! Doing life! Get ahead! What we learn! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Let's go! What we done? Blood against blood! We have been doing it for so much! What's see what's real! Open your eyes! Open your eyes! Open your eyes! Open your eyes! Thank you! 감사합니다. Oh, one small request. Everyone here, fill this up, please. Move up front. I have a black belt in Taekwondo, but that doesn't matter. I'm not gonna hurt you. So move up front. I want to see your beautiful faces. Move up front. Move up front, please. As I said, we're the Geeks from South Korea, and we've been together for 20 years. We started our band in 1999. We've been touring the world, but surprisingly enough, this is our first ever European show. So, such a privilege to present ourselves to you. And we just released our new album in celebration of our 20th anniversary. The album is called The Constant. We have it up there. But this is like first song of the record. It's called Free. Oh! Put it down! Put it down! Get it right, get it down! Get to the ground! Get it down! Like the dark! Put it right, put it right! Get it gently to the ground! Free! Like that blood! Like that blood! like this. You break free. Thank you. This next song is called More Than Ever. I want every single one of you to help me sing this song. It's called More Than Ever. And the part will come up. Come sing with me. It's called More Than Ever. This is it! I'm still here! And I want until we drop! More than ever! Beating out and pound in my heart! And I want let them take it away from me! Oh yeah! Side by side, everyone, side by side, help me out! Basic way, get it free! Take the club, take the stick! Make my heart beat again! To see a light that the broken bone! Everybody, help me out! Come up front! Come up front! Sir, please help me out! Everybody, gather around! Everybody! Everybody! I need your help! Whoa, dead! Whoa, dead! Whoa, dead! Ever! Whoa, dead! Everybody, one more time! Whoa, dead! Whoa, dead! Ever! Whoa! Whoa, dead! Thank you very much. That's what I'm talking about. You're up. Thank you. Wow, it's amazing. I don't know what to say because it's amazing. So, this town, Eindhoven. It's okay, Eindhoven? Right. Somehow, very familiar with all the South Koreans. So we used to have Jisung Park playing for PSV, and Youngpyo Lee, and I'm not sure if it's pronounced properly. Gus Hiddink. He used to coach national South Korean team. So 2002 Korean-Japan World Cup. So the legendary times. So I just can't believe that we're playing here in Eindhoven. So awesome. Thank you for having us. So the next song is called PMA to all the youth crew kids out there. But it's not positive mental attitude. It's about positive mental action. So help me out, PMA. Let's sing along together. Positive mental action. I'll live your life. PMA. PMA. Positive. Mental action! I look alive. Circle pit, everybody, circle pit! You got a positive attitude! You got a positive! Yeah! You got a positive attitude! You got a positive! PMA! Wow! We only have a couple of songs left. Oh, this is amazing, so awesome. So we have a lot of friends coming over from all different parts of the world to see us and help us and enjoy these beautiful moments together. And moments like this really has helped me over the past 20 years to and shape who I am now. We're almost 40. We're doing this shit. We're all pretty much practically all married. And you have no idea. You have a family and you ask your company and your family to give you at least like a week off to do this beautiful thing that other parts of the world would never understand. And moments like this, the messages and the positive force coming from this type of the moment is the reason why we're still doing this. And this next song, this is the moments that define our lives. And this is so emotional, thank you. And his next song is called Defining Moments. And if you know the words, come sing along with us. If you don't know the words, it's very simple. The moments that define. All together, moments that defines. The moments that define. Thank you very much. control, let it hide. And this is a lot. Don't move it. This is hard. Don't move it. Let it go. Let it go. This is great. This is a talk. Don't move it. Don't move it. Don't move it. Don't move it. Everybody. Don't move it! Don't move it! Don't move it! Don't move it! That's it! This is all I have! This is all we have! This is all I have! This is all we have! The movement that defines! The students can feel it! The viewers far between! The movement that defines! The next song it's gonna be a last song. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I was wrong. Thank you, it was awesome. This next song goes out to our friends in North Turning Back. So, North Turning Back came to South Korea and played a bunch of shows with us. I booked their shows in Korea and we play a lot of shows together. Truly one of the best hardcore bands coming out from the Europe, not just Europe, but around the world. So kudos to North Turning Back. And they're the reason why we're here. Our sincere apologies to all the European hardcore kids. We're gonna be here more often from now on. Now we know what it's like. You guys are amazing, thank you. I'm gonna repeat myself again. The reason why we're doing this, because what we have right now, in this moment, in the very moment, in this very place, is this is what we believe. Hardcore, punk, metal, straight edge, non-straight edge, vegan, non-vegetarian. We all together in the name of hardcore. This next song is called What We Believe, and let's go fucking wild. This is what I know! This is what I care! This is what we believe! That's just what gonna play! Just a man, empty here, get on me! Now you're gone! Empty here! The best to wear what it means to me! Can't you see what brings me here? What I have inside. This is what we believe. This is what we believe. This is. Alright. This is what we got. Stand on the pit. It's for God. It's for the God. Get with him. Gonna go get them. I'm the head up. It's for God. 순간 그 왠지 또 다른 시작 난 패턴이 순간들 이곳에서 지금 이 순간 지금 이 순간 Yeah! And we are having a fucking day right here, right now. 지금 이 순간 See through. What they were, what it is, yeah! I try to get it, but the pressure to keep building up! You just can't see what I see! And will remain as having thought! Maybe, something, but don't come to the side. Well, there's nothing more, you just can't see what I see. And will try to take away from you, streaming from Japan. My joy, say something you can see right through dirty work that we make. Central. I'm gonna teach you some Korean. So, the first language expression you're gonna learn when learning a new language and how to say fuck or fuck you, right? I'm gonna teach you that. It's called 시발. Repeat after me, 시발. Repeat after me, 시발. I'm gonna say 이런 and you're gonna say 시발 together, okay? Let's do this. Move up, move up, move up. Some Korean lesson. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. 이런 씨발! 이런 씨발! So fucking awesome! Damn, bro! Thank you! Tell your Korean friends that hi, hello, 씨발, and they're gonna love you for that. So like I said, there are a lot of amazing friends from all over the world. From the US, from Japan, from Germany, from London, from Holland, Belgium, Spain, and from Korea, of course. We have some friends from South Korea as well. This next song is gonna be a last song. But we're not done here. We're on for our first European tour. We're gonna play Barcelona tomorrow. With a praise from Barcelona. Give it up! And we are gonna play one more show in London on Monday. We're playing with Shelter. So if you have time, come fly and have some fun with us again. Yeah, I'm not sure when it's gonna be our last, the next time that we are here because we're getting old. it's always our this band. So we don't know how many years left for us, how many time left for us, but this is it. This is so amazing. So this is our first European show. It's been amazing. Thank you. This next song is about the hope that you have when the life hits you so fucking hard. Just get back up. It's about the hope. It's about the courage to help you get back up. And next song is called Every Time You Fall. Thank you. Sing with us. Thank you so much. Until the next time, hasta la vista. Everybody, move your hands like this. Move. Let's fucking do this. Oh. Now. Raising your lights on the line, it was falling. Play with it every time you fall. Raising your lights on the line, it was falling. Play with it every time you fall. Every time. Every time we fall. Why? Feel let down, feel left behind. Raising your lights on the line, it was falling. Play with it every time you fall. Raising your lights on the line, it was falling. Play with it every time you fall. Every time. Every time. Everybody, stage dive. Stage dive. Every time you fall, sing with me. Sing it every time. It was right. Every time you fall. Every time. Muchas gracias. Thank you.